In this video, we will see how to create and set up Facebook page on mobile phone. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get video updates like this. Open Facebook app and next we need to click the menu in the top right side corner of the screen. Next, click Pages tab in the bottom of the screen. I have already 3 Facebook pages created. This is where all your Facebook page will be visible once created. Next, click Create tab below Pages. And next, let's get started with setting up the page. Every Facebook page needs a name. Enter a name for the Facebook page that suits your business brand or a personal page and click Next to continue. Next, type and select category your business belongs to. It helps when people search for businesses of similar category. Enter maximum of 3 category and click Next to continue. Enter a business address here, or we can choose not to and fill in this information later. I shall add my website link in here for people to contact me on web design or promotional video. Next on the screen, we need to upload a cover photo and profile photo for our Facebook page. We can select a cover photo from our phone and upload here. Similarly, we can select a profile photo and upload here. The cover photo and profile photo dimensions are mentioned below the video in description section. Next, we can invite friends on Facebook to like our page by sending them invite request. Next, create first post on Facebook and add a background pattern or image to it. You can upload image or video as well. We will add a background image or pattern to this post and share it to Facebook newsfeed. Next, let's complete the page by adding a brief page description and done with setting up Facebook page with phone. Every time we need to post some business update, main menu to go to the Facebook page and post. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment and share the video if it was helpful, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.